Also, I'd like to say something about the VA. I'm a veteran, and I get services, in Mount Vernon. That's one of the best clinics I've ever been to, and not slow down. I've got to say, it's actually improved during the Trump's first term. But they've continued on right now. So what's happened with the VA, I'm not sure. I guess we'll see. I'm still getting appointments, and they're on time and it's sufficient. So the VA system here locally is doing well.
So thank you very much. Appreciate it. I'm glad to hear you're using the CBOC in Mount Vernon. There's a new one that's opening in Everett as well to take some of the pressure off of the success of the Mount Vernon one. The CBOC community-based outpatient clinic was started because of veteran advocacy here in North Puget Sound. So just a lesson in advocacy, because the VA didn't think it would be very successful. And after its first 3 years, it already had they already hit the goal of the number of veterans they wanted to be serving out of that CBOC. First 3 years, and they had a 5-year plan. So obviously, there's a huge demand for that. I'm glad to hear that you're getting services, engaging appointments, and so on. We'll note that the Secretary of the VA has said he wants to cut 80,000 jobs out of the VA. So it is not hit yet, but it will hit if those folks aren't there. These are folks who are, when you look at 80,000 employees, you're going to be looking at people who do disability ratings. So you're going to be looking at people who coordinate appointments. You're going to be looking at some healthcare on the healthcare side. We don't know that yet. We don't know who it is, who's going to be. I will say the experience in the first 4 months of this administration is that federal employee job cuts have been pretty random. It's been about hitting a number, not about hitting the right number, not about hitting, that job is redundant, so we need to not have that person doing that job or that person at all. It's just been, we need to hit a number and we're going to fire the number of people underneath it. That hasn't hit the VA yet, but it's clearly the goal, stated goal of the Secretary of
I'll let you know if that changes in a few months.
So yeah, it'll be absolutely. I'm sure you will. I'm sure